In this video, we are going to discuss antiviral herbs to boost immune system and fight viruses. Understanding viruses, the tiny intruders. Viruses are everywhere. They are so small that they can only be seen with a powerful microscope. These tiny particles are fascinating yet dangerous. They are tiny, even smaller than bacteria. While bacteria are single-celled organisms that can live independently, viruses need a host to survive and replicate. Viruses can make us sick. They are responsible for a wide range of illnesses, from the common cold to more severe diseases. They cause colds, flu, and other infections. When a virus enters our body, it can disrupt our normal functions and make us feel unwell. Our bodies have ways to fight viruses. The immune system is our body's defense mechanism, constantly working to protect us from these tiny invaders. But sometimes we need extra help. Natural remedies and modern medicine can support our immune system in its battle against viruses. Viruses work like sneaky invaders. They attach to our cells and inject their genetic material, hijacking the cell's machinery. They enter our bodies and try to take over our cells. Once inside, they use our cells to produce more viruses. They use our cells to make more copies of themselves. This replication process can happen rapidly, leading to the spread of the virus within our body. This is how viruses spread. As they multiply, they can move from cell to cell, causing widespread infection. Our immune system is our defense force. It recognizes and attacks viruses, trying to eliminate them before they can cause too much harm. It fights off viruses and other germs. The immune response involves various cells and proteins working together to neutralize the threat. A strong immune system helps us stay healthy. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep are crucial for maintaining a robust immune system. But sometimes our immune system needs a boost. Vitamins, herbs, and other supplements can provide additional support, especially during times of increased viral exposure. Nature's defenders. Introducing antiviral herbs. Nature provides powerful allies in the fight against viruses. Antiviral herbs. These plants contain special compounds that can help our bodies fight off viral infections. Antiviral herbs have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. They offer a natural way to support our immune systems. They can help us recover faster from viral illnesses. These herbs work in different ways. Some herbs stop viruses from entering our cells. Others boost our immune system to fight the virus. Arsenal of immunity, exploring top antiviral herbs. In today's world, where health is of utmost importance, it's essential to know about natural ways to boost our immune system. One of the best ways to do this is by incorporating antiviral herbs into our daily routine. Let's explore some of the most potent antiviral herbs that have been used for centuries across different cultures and traditions. Elderberry. This popular herb can shorten the duration of colds and flu. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins, elderberries are known to boost the immune system. Garlic. A common kitchen staple, garlic has powerful antiviral and antibacterial properties. It contains a compound called allicin which combats viruses and bacteria. Ginger. Known for its soothing properties, ginger can help relieve nausea and has anti-inflammatory effects. Ginger tea is a popular remedy for colds and sore throats. Echinacea. This herb boosts the immune system and fights off infections. It is often used to prevent and treat colds, flu, and other respiratory infections. Astragalus. Used in traditional Chinese medicine, astragalus strengthens the body's defenses against viruses and is known for its immune-boosting properties. These antiviral herbs are valuable additions to our health regimen. By understanding and utilizing these natural remedies, we can enhance our body's ability to fight off infections and maintain optimal health. Harnessing herbal power, effective usage and dosages. Using antiviral herbs correctly is crucial for safety and effectiveness. Here are some general guidelines. Consult a healthcare professional. Before starting any new herbal regimen, talk to your doctor or a qualified herbalist. Follow recommended dosages. Each herb has a specific dosage range for optimal benefits. Choose high-quality products. Opt for reputable brands and organic options whenever possible. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to the herbs and adjust dosages as needed. Remember, herbs are potent substances. Using them responsibly ensures their safe and effective use. Culinary cures delicious recipes with antiviral herbs. In this section, we will explore how you can incorporate powerful antiviral herbs into your daily meals, making them not only healthy, but also incredibly tasty. Incorporating antiviral herbs into your diet can be delicious and easy. These herbs not only add unique flavors to your dishes, but also boost your immune system, helping you stay healthy. Let's start with a classic elderberry syrup, known for its potent antiviral properties. You will need 1 cup of dried elderberries, 3 cups of water, and 1 cup of raw honey. Combine the dried elderberries and water in a saucepan. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 45 minutes. After simmering, strain the mixture and stir in the raw honey while the liquid is still warm. For our next recipe, you will need 1 inch of fresh ginger sliced thinly and 2 cloves of garlic crushed. Combine the ginger, garlic, and water in a saucepan. Bring to a boil, then simmer for 15 minutes. Strain the mixture into a cup and sweeten with honey to taste. This tea is soothing and health-boosting. These recipes are just a starting point. Get creative and experiment with different herbs and flavors. The possibilities are endless. Navigating safety, potential risks, and side effects. While generally safe, antiviral herbs can have potential side effects, especially when used improperly. Some individuals may be allergic to certain herbs. Herbs can interact with certain medications. Some herbs can cause digestive issues. It's essential to be aware of these potential risks and use herbs cautiously. Always consult your doctor if you experience any adverse effects. Seeking expert guidance, consulting healthcare professionals. Navigating the world of herbal medicine can be complex. Consulting healthcare professionals ensures safe and effective use. Can provide guidance based on your medical history and current medications. Possess specialized knowledge about herbs and their uses. Can offer advice on incorporating herbs into your diet. Seeking expert guidance empowers you to make informed decisions about your health. Empowering your immune system, a holistic approach. Boosting your immune system involves more than just taking herbs. It requires a holistic approach that encompasses various lifestyle factors. Consume a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Engage in physical activity most days of the week. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Practice stress-reducing techniques like yoga or meditation. By adopting these healthy habits, you empower your body to fight off viruses and maintain optimal well-being. Thanks for joining us today on this journey into the world of antiviral herbs. Remember, nature provides us with powerful allies to keep our immune system strong and resilient. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on natural health and wellness. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are your favorite herbs for staying healthy? Let's keep the conversation going and learn from each other. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and let nature work its magic. Take care.